I am speaking from Newton study. At present time, I am teaching physics of class 9, which is related to chapter motion. In the previous video, I have explained about many important terms: speed, velocity, distance, displacement, graph, first equation of motion, second equation of motion, third equation of motion. Now, today I am going to teach about the difference between distance and displacement. What is the difference between distance and displacement? Distance, the actual length of the path covered by the body is called distance. The actual length of the path covered by the body is called distance. The actual length of the path covered by the body is called distance, which is clear the following figure. Suppose a body starts from B and moves towards C. After this, it reaches point A. Hence, BC plus AC is equal to distance. Displacement, the shortest distance between the initial and the final position of the body is called displacement. इनिशियल और फाइनल पोजीशन के बीच के डिस्टेंस को डिस्प्लेसमेंट कहते हैं. बॉडी का इनिशियल पोजीशन B, फाइनल पोजीशन A. Because body starts from B and reaches point C, after this reaches point A. Hence, initial position B and final position A. The shortest distance between initial and final position is equal to AB. Hence, displacement is equal to AB. Hence, displacement is equal to AB. Second difference, it is a scalar quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude and no direction. Well, displacement is a vector quantity because it contains both magnitude and directions. Next, it is always positive. Displacement is always positive. It can never be zero or negative. Displacement, distance is always positive. Displacement may be positive, negative और zero. Displacement जो है पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, निगेटिव भी हो सकता है, जीरो भी हो सकता है. Next, it is always greater than or equal to the displacement. Distance जो है always greater या इक्वल हो सकता है डिस्प्लेसमेंट का. इन दिस फिगर BC plus AC is greater than AB. In this case, distance is greater than displacement. When initial and final position are the same, then displacement is 0. Suppose a body starts from B and reaches point C. After this, it returns on its original path and reaches point B. In this case, displacement is 0 and distance is equal to BC plus BC. Distance can never be 0 or negative, but displacement may be positive, negative or 0. When initial and final position are the same, then displacement may be 0. Distance is always greater than or equal to displacement. If the path is straight, then in this case displacement and distance are equal when the path is straight. Displacement is always less than or equal to the distance. Displacement जो है डिस्टेंस का इक्वल भी हो सकता है, लेस भी हो सकता है. इक्वल तब होगा जबकि पाथ स्टेट है. यदि पाथ स्टेट है तो डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होगा, दोनों सेम होगा. नेक्स्ट, डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. फॉर्मूला है डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए फॉर्मूला है डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी इनटू टाइम. इसलिए कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए जो है पाथ स्ट्रेट होता है, जिग जॉग और कर्व पाथ नहीं हो सकता है, जबकि डिस्टेंस में पाथ जो है जिग जॉग भी हो सकता है, कर्व भी हो सकता है. नाउ I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. At last, I say you must subscribe my channel. Thank you.